Starting an Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, business with a limited budget requires careful planning and strategic decision-making. While $250 is a modest amount, you can take the following beginner-friendly steps to get your Amazon FBA business off the ground. Product research. Begin by conducting thorough market research to identify a profitable niche or product category. Use tools like Jungle Scout, Helium 10, or Viral Launch to analyze sales trends, competition, and customer demand. Source products. Look for low-cost sourcing options to align with your budget. Consider online wholesale platforms, such as Alibaba or AliExpress, to find suppliers offering competitive prices for your chosen product. Evaluate product quality. Request samples from your potential suppliers to assess product quality. Ensure your product meets the desired standards and that you can sell it with confidence. Create a brand. Develop a unique brand name, logo, and packaging design to differentiate your product in the market. Utilize freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork for affordable logo design and branding services. Set up an Amazon seller account. Register for an Amazon seller account, either individual or professional, depending on your business needs. Consider starting with an individual account to minimize upfront fees. Listing optimization. Craft compelling and keyword-rich product listings to improve search visibility. Optimize the product title, bullet points, description, and back-end keywords to increase your chances of ranking high in Amazon search results. Product photography. Invest in professional product photography to showcase your products effectively. Look for affordable freelance photographers or DIY solutions using a high-quality smartphone and basic lighting setup. Manage inventory wisely. Start with a limited quantity of inventory to reduce upfront costs. Monitor your sales and reorder inventory as needed to maintain stock levels without tying up too much capital. Consider fulfillment options. Begin with Amazon FBA to leverage their fulfillment and shipping services. This will save you time and effort in inventory management and order fulfillment. Launch marketing campaign. Promote your product through various channels, including social media, influencer marketing, email marketing, and Amazon advertising. Start with a small budget and experiment with different strategies to maximize exposure. Remember, building a successful Amazon FBA business requires continuous learning, adaptation, and patience. Stay updated with Amazon policies and industry trends, and be proactive in seeking feedback from customers to improve your product and grow your business over time.